Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make bread using Oven Easy method. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees F and prepare ingredients on the counter. Mix flour, water, salt, and yeast until a shaggy dough forms. Knead gently for about 10 minutes, then place in an oiled bowl and cover. Allow the dough to rise until doubled, punch down, shape, and transfer to a loaf pan for baking. After the first rise, turn the dough onto a lightly floured surface and press down gently to release large bubbles. Shape the dough into a tight loaf by folding edges toward the center and rolling with consistent pressure. Place the loaf seam side down in a greased pan and cover with a damp towel. Proof the loaf until it rises to the proper height, which creates a light crumb and good oven spring. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow and bring more simple recipes. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how many people think about money, and it pairs nicely with baking a loaf while you read. Check the description for the book link and other deals, grab a copy if interested, and now let's get back to the video. Slide the loaf into a preheated oven and bake until the crust is deep golden and the loaf sounds hollow when tapped. Use an instant read thermometer to confirm an internal temperature around 200 degrees F for optimal crumb. Remove the bread from the pan and cool on a wire rack to prevent sogginess. Waiting at least 30 minutes preserves structure and flavor, making slicing easier and the crumb more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.